All right, our stock price is down and our compensation ain't worth shit.
Look, when I agreed to come on board, I was told that my stock options would be backdated to reflect last year's lowest price.
Yeah, but the current price is lower than that, so how does that help us?
Gentlemen, all right, I am not happy with the situation either, but we have to go forward. Forward as the day is old.
So, what should we do?
I happen to know a guy who has access to a certain thing, or things as the case might be.
Well, what in the hell is that supposed to mean?
What if I told you that I know a way we can cut our costs in half, or up to 90%?
I would say I like it.
More than you like coke and hookers.
More than I like coke.
So, just what is this magical plan?
Well, all right, as you know, our costs to get rid of our pollution and our toxic waste are killing us. They're fucking killing us. And they got those developing countries over there who can dump anything they want, anytime, any place. I mean, how can we compete with that?
We can't.
Exactly. So what if I told you I know a way we can get rid of our toxic waste for practically nothing?
I would say I love it.
I would say, how?
I know a place where we can put it and no one will ever find it for 20 years, and by that time we'll have cashed out our stock at an incredible price and we'll be living on the beach in the Bahamas sipping martinis with a bunch of Hispanic honeys. I'm telling you, it's the American dream, and our stockholders are not going to care about it either.
I love it.
Is it illegal?
No. Yes. Well, not if we don't get caught. I mean, who's gonna catch us? I mean, who's gonna stop us? No one can stop us!
What the hell are you doing? That guy just walked right by you.
Oh, shit.
What are we paying you for? You and your goofy ass hair can get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Jeez. They fired you? Yeah, go figure. On the day they get robbed. They need a security guard more than ever now. They set you up, man. Yeah, probably. So any girls go to this party tonight? Mm-hmm. Yeah, most definitely, dude. Fucking rock and roll, dude. So much time you got left on that meter? Oh, free parking after 9. The party's just down the street. Oh my god. I can see it from here. Nice hair, douchebag. Let's roll. Check out all these chicks, man. Yeah, I know. Look at that one right over there. She's hot. I think I'm gonna go talk to her. Hey, douchebag. Hey, whoa. What the heck? Oh, it's the guy that's jealous of my hair.
Jealous of your hair? It looks like someone took a shit on your head.
Shut up, Steve. I like your costume.
Thanks.
Whoa, let's go, babe.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, what costume?
Good scene tonight, man. Good scene.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Until that one girl left. What was her name?
Oh, shit. Dude, your car's gone. Dude! Your car's gone!
It went that way.
Dude! Your car!
Stolen. Let's go.
Dude! Your car!
We're stolen? We don't give a shit about your stolen car. It was red. Didn't you hear me? Don't give a shit. 3 cup holders. You know, the factory only put in 2, but I had them put in another one. You know, that's just how I roll.
You know, you're gonna have to come back tomorrow to annoy somebody else. I mean, you're gonna have to fill out a report if your stolen car means that much to you.
Yo! So did you tell him?
Yeah, I gotta come back and fill out a report tomorrow.
Did you mention the cup holders?
Yeah, all 3 of them. I don't even think they cared.
Fucking bummer. What are you gonna do?
Only thing we can do. Come back tomorrow. Let's go. My car was stolen. I came in here to report it last night, but I was told that you guys don't give a shit. You know, not that I'm complaining.
Your car was stolen? I'm sorry to hear that. This form needs to be filled out.
Yeah, had some pretty good times in that car.
I bet. What color is it?
Red?
Any distinguishable features?
3 cup holders.
I see. And license plate number.
Rad Command.
I think that's too many spaces.
Oh, I could only fit Rad Coma.
Rad Coma.
Yeah, I mean, I've been petitioning those guys down at the state capitol for years, but I think they've been ignoring all my letters and phone calls and, threats. Sometimes you just gotta really take matters into your own hands, you know what I mean?
Probably.
So how'd it go? That's what my father always used to say. Need something done, you don't have the cash? You gotta do it yourself.
Nice. So what are you gonna do?
Join the police force.
Be a cop?
Well, hey, I'm better not let my 3 hours of security go to waste.
That's true. And I'm in. Girls love a man in uniform.
Hey, that's not why we're in this.
That's right, that's right. It's to get your car back.
Exactly. Now let's rock this.
With our cocks out?
We'll play it by ear.
So you're saying there's a chance?
Definitely.
Oh yeah! So that didn't work. What are we gonna do now?
Research.
Research on what?
How to get my fucking car back.
All right, so everything's working out fine. Our profits are up 20%, and no one is the wiser.
Well, we did have some reports of kids getting sick.
Yeah, they're just going to have to build up an immunity to that stuff. I mean, we are dumping a lot of toxins next to that school. Yeah, it'll be good for them. It'll toughen them up.
The hookers are here, sirs.
Boom!
Now that is what I'm talking about. Party time, bitches.
Hey, did you see that new car I got?
How many cup holders?
3. I'm thinking of putting another one in.
You are a crazy son of a bitch. When are you going to learn?
Never.
Speed dial 1. Hey, yeah, it's me. Yeah, I've been trying to get this thing to work for like 3 hours. What do I do?
Press the on button, dude.
Rock and roll. Ah. Your smarts amaze me. PI. Walking's gonna have to do until we get my baby back. How are you gonna do that? What does that mean? Oh shit. You have a plan. Oh shit, oh shit. What's the plan? You gotta tell me. Come on. I can handle it. Okay. You are looking at the city's newest PI. Pussy investigator. Private investigator. I love it. Women love that shit. We're not in this game for the women. Right. We're in it for your car. Exactly. When are we gonna get this started? I did some research and I compiled a list of things we're gonna need. Check it out. Go on, check it out. Office, phone, business cards, big magnifying glass. Definitely. Tobacco pipe, mustache. Oh wait, take that shit off. That's out of style. Let's see. Flyers for advertisements. Okay. The thing you use to dust your fingerprints, and a bag to put all that stuff in, like Sherlock Holmes. No shit. Can I be Watson? Watson, welcome aboard, my friend. This is Butterscotch. I've been expecting you.
It's Buttersmith.
Butterscotch is more sweeter. Butterscotch. My 2 favorite things. Why don't you have a seat?
Are you a real PI?
What does the name tag say, ma'am?
Pussy investigator?
It's for my night job.
I'm sure.
What can I do you for?
How many cases have you solved?
Dozens, if not thousands.
How much will all this cost?
About 20 bucks.
That's it?
I'm not in this for the money.
Aren't you sweet?
Just like pussy, man.
I need you to help me find my cat. She must have run away. She's an indoor cat, so she can't survive out in the wild.
What does my name tag say, man? Pussy. Why are we doing this again? Experience is key. How is this supposed to help get your car back? Pretend like we're looking for my car, only in the form of a stupid fucking cat. Man, what is this shit? Mutant cum? Oh, my face! Oh, God. Clue.
Bring.
Your neighborhood private investigator.
I got him.
Got who?
The fucker that stole your car.
Where is he?
My place.
Alright, don't move. I'll be right there. Is this him? Is this the guy? Is this the motherfucker?
Sure is, man.
Where is it? Huh? Where is
man,
it?
that tickle.
Hey! Shut the fuck up if you know what's good for you. So, not talking, huh?
You told me not to.
That's enough out of you.
Oh, tough guy, huh? Okay.
Maybe a nice glass of warm piss will get you to talk.
Oh, actually, we're all out of clean glasses.
For sure. You got lucky today, boy. Yeah. Nice glass of warm, freshly squeezed piss will get you to talk for sure!
Man, who are you guys?
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, dude. That's it! Go get a cup. I don't care if it's dirty. In fact, get the dirtiest fucking one.
You got it.
And who are you? Oh. So now you want to talk, huh? Let's talk. What's the matter? Can't handle a piss, can you?
Gross, man. Why'd your friend kidnap me?
Because that's what friends do.
They kidnap blind people and make them drink their piss?
Blind people?
Yeah, blind. I was just walking my seeing eye dog.
Seeing eye dog?
Yeah, man. And I was talking to my friend on the phone. He just built this new muscle car and he was gonna give me a ride. But then next thing I know, your friend jumps out, kidnaps me and says, I got him, I got him.
Oh.
And now you're gonna make me drink your piss.
Oh boy, motherfucker. Buy one, get one free. It's today's special, bitch. These are all good. You could go. So, how's the search on my car coming along?
Fuck your car.
Well, actually, I'm here to report another case.
Let me guess. Your bike is missing. You removed your seat so it sticks in your ass when you ride it, and so now you want us to find your rape bike.
Well...
So what is it that...
Well...
Hello? Oh, hey, babe. No, I don't know who sent that text. No, it wasn't her. No, I haven't seen her since you asked me not to. No. No, she's a tramp. Oh, yeah. She's just nasty. I don't like nasty girls. Except you. Because you're really nasty.
So, yeah.
Yeah, so, no. No, babe. Oh, no, I love you.
Hey.
Yo, hey, how you doing?
Do you always wear that thing?
Huh? Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, what are you doing here? Did they find your car?
Fuck all over there's working on it.
I see.
Oh, yeah, you're sexy. What are you wearing? You wearing that glad that plastic bag again.
I see.
Yeah, I'm here working on another case myself. You know, I try to tell them, they won't listen. You know, sometimes you just gotta do things yourself, right?
What the hell are you talking about?
Didn't you hear? Started my own PI firm. Got an ad in the paper and all.
You started a private investigation firm. Why did you really come here? To see me?
Maybe. Sure. Say, how about you and I go out to dinner?
So you really did start a PI firm.
Yep. This is the Mall Rat's Head Command Center.
But it's just a studio apartment. Don't you have a couch?
Well, when I moved out of my parents' place, I thought I'd kill 2 rats with 1 stick. So this is my office as much as my home.
What are you, some kind of pussy investigator? Your bed right next to your clients?
Oh, that's for my night job.
Okay. Let's go to dinner.
Okay.
And why did we come here again? This place has the best Chateaubriand.
Yeah? I think I'm in the mood for a hot dog.
A hot dog.
Yeah, the gourmet kind.
No hot dogs.
The gourmet kind. Hey, you want to listen to some music?
Sure. What kind of music do you listen to?
Many types. But I'm going to play some of my music.
A recorder.
You know of this exotic instrument?
Yeah. That was horrible.
Horribly awesome, I know.
Whatever. Does this thing come off?
What thing? Does that thing come off?
Oh my god!
What is that? Oh, I see.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Did you start without me?
What? That was awesome.
You want to do something really fun together?
Okay.
Come run a marathon with me.
Okay.
It's next Sunday morning.
Morning?
Yes. Do you need to get into shape? I could help you get fit.
Have you seen my body? I'm already too physically fit.
Yes. It's for a good cause. It's for cancer.
Fuck cancer. Hey! I got a question for you.
Who the fuck are you, douchebag?
I'm just your neighborhood-friendly PI.
PI. What does that stand for? Piss off, asshole?
P.I. The card explain it all.
Pussy investigator.
Wrong one. Anyways,
Have you been dumping toxic waste in the woods near that one school?
What? No, how can you stand there and accuse me of dumping toxic waste, a businessman of my stature in the community?
Well, excuse me, but I found your wallet near the site.
Ah, damn.
Now, are you sure it wasn't you?
Yes, I am sure it was not me, and can I have my wallet back now?
Okay.
There you go.
Sorry, I got so caught up in it. And
Yeah.
new hobby of mine.
Yeah.
I am the best at what I do, huh?
Yeah.
Well, if there's nothing else.
That's great. Really?
Have a good evening.
Okay, fine. Okay. I better not chance it. Yeah. I got a job for you. Right. Jesus Christ.
You think he's the guy? I know he is. I can smell it on him.
No, you always did have a good sense of smell.
One of the finest.
Great, you guys are here. I did that background check. Guess who recently registered a red card with 3 cup holders?
What the fuck?
No way!
Now it's fucking personal. It's mustard on my face. How many cup holders does your car have?
It's a 6-cylinder. Oh, did you ask me about cup holders? I guess there's 2 in front and 2 in back.
4? Crazy bitch.
Something like that. Now it should be around here somewhere. My source said it was having something done to the inside. And it's red, right?
The ruby that it is.
Is that it?
Oh my god, it's my car! Oh my god! My car! Oh Jesus, thank God! My car! It's here! Oh my god, it's perfect! Oh yeah! Oh! Tom, what are you doing? Just making sure that damn cat doesn't sneak up on me again, you know? Peace out. Oh, good call, Watson.
Look mean.
What are we looking for again? Evidence. Should never given that guy's wallet back. Damn rookie mistake. Well, even the best make mistakes. What was that? I don't think anything. Fucking cat. Why are we doing this again? I mean, we already got your car back. Sometimes in life you just gotta do what's right. And in this case, we're the only ones who can help. So therefore we must, my friend. Man, that Jessica girl is sexy fox. Only you could get a girl like that. I know. Sorry, I fucked up.
Keep rolling.
Oh, go pussy, go!
Shit, that was close.
Dude, who the fuck are you?
Me? Just a hitman sent to kill you.
A hitman? That cat fucked you up.
They're not part of the job description.
They never are.
Well said.
Well, why kill me?
Not you, him. I was sent to kill you.
Oh, epic fail, dude.
Thanks. So, where are we?
The woods? Well, you sure gave up quickly.
It all started back in Nam. The year was 1969, and those crazy-ass communists were taking over the world. Our mission? Keep them out of Southeast Asia at any cost. It was hell. The kind of hell they make movies about. The kind of movies whose impact is felt for decades to come. I did things I'm not proud of. From the hookers, killing innocent civilians. It was goddamn hell. That's why I do my killing now with this samurai sword. See your enemy face to face. That's what Master Roshi taught me before he forged this instrument of honest warfare. That's why I do my killing now with this here samurai sword. See your enemy face to face. That's what Master Roshi taught me before he forged this instrument of honest warfare. It's a symbol of a changed man. A good man. That man is me.
What is this guy talking about? Now.
But that's a story for another day. Now, what are we doing out here in these woods?
Oh, some douchebag's been dumping toxic waste behind the school.
School? No shit, my kid goes to school around here.
You got a kid? You pussy-whipped motherfucker.
What of it? Gotta make a living somehow. Besides, stop it with all these pussy/cat references. You know the kind of person who makes pussy jokes?
No.
Kind who's not getting any.
Where'd that pussy go?
Jesus Christ, what the fuck do you want?
I just came to say...
Get the fuck out of here!
What?
And what the fuck do you want?
I do not approve of the dumping of toxic waste. It can turn a monkey into a squirrel. You can turn a girl fish into a boy fish.
So where's everyone?
You're an hour late. The race already started.
True. How long does it take to run this thing, by the way?
A little under 3 hours.
Hours? Well, how long is it?
It's just a half marathon. That is 13 miles.
Miles?
Still up for this?
I'll see you at the finish line.
We'll see.
Yo, what else up, Tom? Maybe, cancel and just win this one. Yeah, probably. Psych! I win!
Where have you been?
I took a nap about halfway back. Crime fighting's one thing. Set alarm clocks is a whole different story.
Well, that only took you 9 hours, 36 minutes, and 7 seconds.
Is that good?
So, that was a nice move to sponsor that cancer marathon. company's been getting a lot of nice press lately.
We do great things.
But what's this I hear about some rogue PI guy who's investigating you?
Do not concern yourself with that mullet-wearing moron. A guy like that should not be taken seriously. A guy like that can't figure out shit. He can't figure out fuck. A man like that is never going to be as smart or as clever as us. A man like that is nothing to fear. And I do not want it mentioned again.
Then we hit him so hard that the essence of their being would be questioned. But the answer remained the same. Hit them even harder.
After the hitting comes the pounding. A pounding that has only been seen once before, and one they'll never forget.
We'll pound them so hard that the essence of their being will be questioned. The answer remained the same.
And pound them even harder.
Hey,
So, what's the plan, guys?
we're gonna hit them.
no one pound them.
What does that mean? So here's my plan.
Whoa, cool! I see that our night together didn't go wasted. The student has become a sensei.
Yeah, and it is my job.
When do we strike?
Midnight. We get in, get out, and let the police handle the rest in the morning.
Everyone in?
We're gonna pound them.
Let's hit them hard. Hard enough they will never forget.
And then we'll pound them.
Pound them even harder.
See you at midnight.
Let's hit them hard.
Beep, beep.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing. We're just following the plan. To the T.
Really? I don't remember this part.
We like to freestyle. That's how we do things.
Hey, I like that. Our PI firm should be called Freestyle Enterprises.
Hey, that's not bad. Explains what we do and how we do it. Plus, there's a nice good subtext to it. Yeah.
Get over here out of the street view.
Okay, let's go.
And keep on walking.
Let's go over this once more. It's very important since a bit of this is illegal.
It's okay. It's for those school kids.
That's what I've been telling myself. He needs to be stopped.
Freestyle. Style. Boom.
So what we're trying to do is gather info on him,
That's short for information.
in the hopes that he'll incriminate himself tomorrow morning when the police show up. The house is empty. His plane doesn't get back till 5 a.m. That gives us 4.5 hours to do this and get out.
Like last night. Nice. Hey, maybe we should go out pussy investigating. It's about that time of night. It is.
Or we can get this ass.
That's short for cocksucker motherfucker.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Hey, get back over here so I can finish explaining the plan for the 10th time.
Okay, we're in. Using the back door was a good idea. How'd you get past the security code?
Let's just say that 1, 2, 3, 4 was easy for him to remember.
Not bad. Hey, ask her why she didn't come with us. Hey, Tom is wondering.
Hey, I thought this is what you guys do.
It is. Tell her it is. It is. But there's nobody here, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's turn the lights on. Oh, here it is. Oh,
Hey, turn off that light. We don't want the neighbors to be suspicious.
Come on, when people rob houses, they don't turn on the lights. While turning them off would be even more suspicious.
Turn off the fucking lights.
Get down. Gotta grow. I gotta listen to her. Be quiet. Let's just get in.
Man?
You know what to do, right?
Yes. Where are the boys?
In the house getting the info.
Is that short for information?
Don't worry, we'll get this ass. Fuck with my kid and I'll fuck you.
Remember, don't get caught. I can't protect you. Don't get caught. I can't protect you.
Not a problem. I was in Nam. The year was 1969.
That's great. Time is of the essence.
I transcend time.
There won't be any cats, will there?
Can I take over?
Yeah, go for it. If you're as good as turning on computers as you're a woman, you're fucking golden, Watson. Fucking golden.
Well, if it isn't the mullet-wearing motherfucker. What, you gonna fuck your friend or something?
Gross, dude. He's my brother.
What, this goofy motherfucker?
What, don't we look like it?
No.
To the end, motherfucker.
We must be moving along now. Now get the fuck up and let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. As lightning as this scene has been, we must be moving along now. Now get the fuck up. Let's get the fuck out. Let's go. Let's go.
Steve, what the fuck are you doing here?
You know, man, just keeping my eye on things.
What things?
Things like a doofus idiot fucking mullet-wearing motherfucker and his idiot sidekick brother searching around the house looking for information, trying to land my shit in jail.
Yeah? Well, you're forgetting one thing. What the hell is that?
This is a gun. What is that?
Damn.
Well, man, you gotta be the biggest freaking idiot. That hair in your head must be growing into your brain. It's making you stupid or retarded or something. And to think, Jessica broke up with me to date your ass. Unfucking-leavable.
What was that bitch thinking?
What was that fucking bitch thinking?
Thinking you just got knocked the fuck out.
All right. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go.
Thank God for tailwinds.
Can we just kill them? Can we just kill them? Can we just fucking kill them now? Hello, can we just kill them?
Sent.
Can we fucking just kill them now?
What? Yeah, go for it.
Wait! Aren't you gonna tell us your devilish plan first?
No.
Wait. Are you sure?
Yes.
Wait. Yes as in you'll tell us, or yes as in the question of telling us is the yes?
What the fuck are you talking about? Will you just fucking kill them?
With fucking pleasure.
What's up, boys? Ma'am?
Rematch time. You gonna bring it full force this time?
I think I'm gonna leave. Big morning coming up in just a couple hours.
Mississippi battle? No, the Romans fought like this.
I'm not too sure about that.
No, it's true. The year was 49 BC, and Caesar had just defeated the Egyptians at the Battle of the Nile. It was a horrific and glorious battle. The kind of battle that writers write books about. The kind of books that are read for centuries to come.
Dude, where's your cool sword? What are we gonna do now?
Just wait. The plan should still work.
You guys are brothers?
Yeah. Don't we look at it?
No.
Mustard?
You sure?
That you're positive?
Ketchup?
Mustard?
Salt?
I will.
All you need is the right silver.
Hey, asshole.
Yes?
No, you. The one that left me hanging on the ping pong table.
Oh, hey, look, I thought you could handle that.
What's going on here?
Everybody, this is Steve. Steve is the one who found us a location for dumping our toxic waste.
Oh, good job. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, I want my fucking money now.
Right. Sure. Okay. Hang on. Hey. Ooh, I got 10, 5, 16, 17, 18. Hang on. 18 for now. Okay, there we go.
You have to be kidding me.
18 now, and then the other 3 million in about a month.
No! All right. Jeez.
Let's see what I got 25. All right.
55.
Whoa, we have a winner. Okay. I don't think you guys fucking know what I'm talking about. I want my money. I want it fucking now.
Oh, hey, okay, we're not savages here. How about if we just take you down to the bank right now, huh? And we'll get you everything you need, cash, okay?
All right. Now let's do this quickly. I got some things to do.
Where are you going to get this money from?
I'm gonna get it from my internet gambling website. I got suckers losing money there all the time. All right, you ready? You impatient, can't kill 2 idiots and a cute little girl, dumb shit douchebag?
Hey guys, you're all under arrest.
Yeah, we just got a tip that you chaps have been dumping toxic waste behind the school. And lo and behold, we find the same toxic waste in your desks.
In our desks?
Strange, right?
Huge morons.
So what are you gonna do with your money?
Well, you know, buy stuff.
Cool. Yellow. Gotcha. Yeah. Very well. Yeah, bye. What do you think about driving to Mexico?
Mexico?
Yeah. Seems the police found out about our little plan.
Huh. Well, it wasn't much of a plan now, was it?
They'll never find a toxic waste behind the school. What were we thinking? Whoa. Mexico?
Mexico.
All right. We'll have to hit up that bank first.
Yeah, for sure.
Fifth time today, baby. That's gotta be a record.
4th on my list.
Maybe I can make it to number 1 someday.
I bet you can.
But how about we raise the odds of that happening? Say, got a question for you. Will you marry me?
Really? Okay. Fine. I've got a surprise for you. Are you ready for it?
Oh, yeah.
Be back in a sec.
Okay. Got my car back, solved the mystery of the asshole business guys, and now marrying the woman of my dreams. God damn, I'm awesome.
You ready?
Born it.
Here I come. Hey, big boy, you ready for your night job?